Now let's create the remaining script, the one to edit an existing person. Recall that in Company People Edit, we created a link, which we gave the name Person Edit Link, which was an href to a form or a file that we haven't created yet called personeditform.php with a query string person ID is set to the value of the person ID of a data record in the Company People Edit page. The Person Edit link is printed as the word edit with a link to this form which we're about to create. So on a fresh code page, paste the script Person Edit Form and save this into your Forms folder. Collapsing the top parts. Again, we've identified the script name, so we can use this name anywhere in the script. As before, we collect the posted data for the person record, and we create an update SQL statement where the ID field has the value of the person ID we're looking for. If the query is successful, we return processing immediately to the originating script, which is Company People Edit. With the query string, again, company ID is set to the company ID that was posted to this script, so that the script Company People Edit displays data for the correct company. So the scripts Person Insert PHP and Person Edit Form PHP are never directly accessed by the user. They're only ever accessed via Company People Edit. So let's change our index file from the reference to Company with People, which was the old version of this form, to Company People Edit and save that. And then on our browser, if we go to the home page, list people in a company should take us to Company People Edit, which it does. Let's select a company and submit the query. And now we have our two additional forms. We have the ability to edit a record. So let's put in a telephone number and save, and it appears. Let's edit another one and change Professor to Doctor and put in a number here and save, and the new data fields have been saved. We can add a new record, click Add, and straight away the new record is added to our list. I hope you can see from this that we're moving ever closer to a usable component for a contact management system.